Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter of political parties. Today we will discuss what is a political party and what are the ideologies of the political parties in J&K. Dear students, you have to learn the political party meaning and the ideology of each political party in J&K. Political party you have read, you have learned. I repeat, a political party is a group of people who have some ideology and come close to each other so that they can contest elections and win over the majority to make the government. तो सहल से एग्ज़ाम्पल है, आसान से एग्ज़ाम्पल है। एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वो होती है जो लोगों का एक ग्रुप होता है जिनका एक ही मंशूर हो, जिनकी एक आइडियोलॉजी हो, जो एक दूसरे के साथ क्लोज रहते हैं, जो कवानीन जो पार्टी के लिए कवानीन बनाते हैं, पार्टी का मंशूर बनाते हैं, इलेक्शन लड़ते हैं और अगर इनको मेजॉरिटी मिलती है तो वो गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं, अगर मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिलती है तो वो अपोजिशन में रहते हैं। तो इनका एक एजेंडा होता है। सो फार एज दिस आइडियोलॉजीज ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इन J&K आर कंसर्न्ड, we have various political parties. First of all, the ancient party which have ruled not only J&K but the whole India from for the centuries together is Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress has its own agenda in every this aspect of democracy in J&K. Since this Indian National Congress, it is a national party, it is not a regional party, it is a national party. It has its agenda for the whole for the whole country. The agenda of this party is, the political ideology of this political party is faith in democracy, faith in secularism, faith in socialism, faith in mixed economy, unity and integrity of India, non-alignment. There are some terms which we have to which we must explain, like secularism, socialism, mixed economy, and non-alignment. And dear students, you have learned all these steps, all these points in 8th as well. Still, we here repeat. Secularism means that very system in which all the religions are treated equally. Socialism means when the factors of production are under the control of government, it is known as socialism. Mixed economy means when socialism and capitalism in a country go side by side. Similarly, non-aligned means to remain aside from the wars, from the ideology of wars. Similarly, we have another national party, that is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. It is committed to the concept of Suraksha, Sushta, Swadeshi, Samajta, Samrashtra, and Hindutva. These points which I will repeat. These points. One is Suraksha, Sushista, Swadeshi, Samarista, and Hindutva. these all points are considered as cultural nationalism. BJP is committed to the concept of positive secularism. This organization is committed to Gandhian economy. It believes in nationalism, holism, and integral humanism. Then we have a regional party, that is National Conference. The aim of National Conference, it aims at all side advancement along all avenues of human activities covering agriculture, industry, transport, and public utility services. They have their own ideology, like autonomy for J&K. Similarly, we have another party, that is People's Democratic Party. This party has full faith in democracy, secularism, and security, like other political parties. The party believes in the dignity, liberty, and security of people of Jammu and Kashmir. They have their own ideology, that is known as self-rule, which is one of the most powerful agenda of the People's Democratic Party. We have some local parties as well, like Awami Ittihad Party, like People's Conference, and we have some other these small parties. All these parties have their own way of life, way and design, and their attitude and their agenda, for which they are trying their hard to prove their worth in the people of J&K. So, dear students, these were the ideologies of different political parties in Jammu and Kashmir. Tomorrow we will move ahead, inshallah. Thank you very much.